you're tired of sifting through countless web reviews to find the perfect kitchen appliance, look no further than CHEFMAN. Before getting into our video, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our latest web reviews and recommendations. So today we have CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie Dehydrator with us. Then let's start with the best features of this air fryer. First of all, it's multifunctional, which means you can use it for much more than just air frying. You can also use it for rotisserie cooking, hydrating fruits and vegetables, and even baking. This makes it a great all-in-one kitchen appliance that can save you time and space in the kitchen. The digital controls are easy to use, and the LED display makes it simple to monitor your cooking progress. The 8 preset cooking options make it easy to cook a wide variety of foods, wings to vegetables to lettuce. Plus, the removable drip tray and these water-safe pots make cleanup a breeze. One of the biggest advantages of this air fryer is that it allows you to cook delicious crispy foods with little to no oil. This makes it a great choice for anyone who wants to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. Plus, the rotisserie feature allows you to cook juicy, flavorful meals that are perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. No product is perfect, and there are a few disadvantages to this air fryer. First of all, it's a bit on the pricey side, so it may not be the best choice for budget-conscious shoppers. Additionally, some users have reported that the cooking times can be a bit longer than expected, so you may need to adjust your recipes accordingly. Overall, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Rotisserie Dehydrator is a fantastic kitchen gadget that can help you cook healthier, more delicious meals for your family. With its multifunctional capabilities, digital controls, and easy cleanup, it's a great investment for any home chef. The price is around $120, which may seem steep, but considering all the features and functions it offers, it's definitely worth the investment. So if you're in the market for a new air fryer or kitchen gadget, be sure to check out the CHEFMAN Multifunction Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie Dehydrator. Thanks for joining me today on CHEFMAN. I hope my review was helpful and that it made your choice easier. See you at the next one. Bye bye.